Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLFTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unfortunately, today was relatively disappointing. Keyword there being today, as in one day. So just because one day is disappointing doesn't mean that an entire chart is destroyed. So let me better illustrate that. Let me just show up the entire chart here. So the entire chart is still, actually, let me do this even more, is still perfectly fine. I mean, when you consider that not that long ago, this thing was down below 5 cents, and it's still up here above 50 cents comfortably. So yes, today was disappointing. I'll explain more of that, but I did want to just quickly build a little bit of context that I don't mean that if somebody says that one single day was disappointing, it implies that somehow several weeks have all of a sudden been destroyed. Not the case here. So we'll zoom back in here. And what was disappointing about it? Well, and this is relatively obvious. I'm sure most of you are going to say, oh, thanks, Captain Obvious. But I mean, on Wednesday, the price absolutely was exploding to close. So it was a big question going, wow, is this the start of something bigger? And then today, the price just gapped down, went sideways, and then eventually rolled back down further. So it's not like today ruined anything. It was just disappointing within the context of just how strong of a day Wednesday was at the close. So if anything, I mean, it just goes to show that, yeah, this 59 cent mark right here, which I've talked about time and time again as support, remains support because that's essentially right where the price closed here. So you want to keep a close eye on that, and ideally want to see that level hold. But what I am going to do is I'm going to go grab this green line here. That's not really relevant down there anymore. And just point out that the next level of support in the event that 58 cent mark, 59 cent mark doesn't quite hold, then the next key level of support would be down there at 54 cents. So 58, 59, right around there, and then 54 are going to be those two main areas of support. And then, of course, as far as resistance is concerned, what I do need to do now is drag this down because it's become very apparent that there are some sellers sitting there right at about 73 cents. That's where the price got rejected from a few days ago. And then this big surge right there, once again, where the price got rejected. So that'll be, public enemy number one to watch going forward. But overall, yeah, disappointing day, but the overall chart is still in an uptrend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.